Well, we've been talking about how to use data in education, or how to make a better use of data in education. Because the issue is, at least this is my perception, that there is a lot of data around there to assess education outcomes of students, of education systems, but they're not used to the full extent possible. Well, one finding I took away is that maybe the question was not entirely the right question to ask. It was taking a step back and look at sort of what are we really measuring? Are we really looking at the important things? And I think one of the important contributions was that we need, if we look at assessments, we have to have an assessment which is more child-centered and which is also taking account the contributions of everybody who is involved in the education process, be it teachers, be it parents, but also the children themselves. I think it would be useful to look more and in more greater detail at how to make use of whatever assessment we have, because otherwise we will probably not be able to achieve like the Sustainable Development Goals, because we will not know, we will drive blind. We do not know what if the approaches we're using, if they work or if they don't work. So ultimately we need to rely on data to understand the blind spots and to understand where we need to improve. But as part of this process, we also continuously need to reflect on whether we are measuring the right things. So I think these two parts are very important. We also looked at questions like, okay, do the people who receive assessments, who receive data, do they have the right mindset to really use them in a productive way? Very often we're facing the problem that assessments are used just for comparison. Where am I in whatever defined league table? And they're not taken as what they are meant to be, as a starting point to ask questions about your own practice and about how you can improve based on the assessments you have. So very often people stop at looking at the league table like they do after the football match, and that definitely has to change. But how this can change, that's one of the tougher questions maybe for the next conference.